I own Carlin Heating and Air, and we do HVAC here in Nampa, Idaho. I noticed a difference right away as far as the call volume went, and also with revenue versus what we were paying out coming in. There was a big difference in both. Now compared to before, our Google ads are performing at the highest paid advertisement that we do, and the only thing next to them as far as calls coming in is existing customer. So they're even above referrals on our revenue. There were times with the other company that we were negative, so we've never been negative now since we switched. It's been a huge impact on our business. The phone still rings when it's usually a slow season, and we're still getting steady calls in, so that's huge for us. Yeah, I would recommend to others. Not in this area, but
That's the biggest compliment.
but yeah, other areas for sure.